Welcome to my channel, Ning Ning ni Neneng.
Marinate tayo ng pork barbecue guys for Father's Day.
Oh, yan na.
Habang maganda ang araw.
Ayan yung chicken guys. Mamarinate nila ng oyster sauce.
Yayamanin yung barbecue namin. Steak gagawin na.
Tsaka steak. Ayan, hinihiwa ni Axis. Ang ating iba barbecue pa na steak. Amazing.
Spider-Man.
Amazing. Amazing.
Mana si Shai? Tuloy mo. Goose, that's good. Kulit mo.
Lagyan natin na invite nila ang mga friend para
Coke.
ayan, may coke dyan guys.
Coke, tsaka toyo. Konting toyo.
Toyo.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster.
Dito salt. Salt lang, asin, tsaka konting ganito, seasoning.
Seasoning.
Tsaka konting black pepper.
Black pepper, tsaka honey.
And honey.
Siyempre, para masarap.
Marinate lang natin few hours. Kahit 1 hour lang to guys. Okay na
Isang oras niyang i-marinate guys. So, watch and learn. And see the celebration of Father's Day. Oh. Andun, nire-repair ang barbecue grilling machine. Nasira na ilang taon nang ginamit. Kaya, nire-repair niya ang balelong ko. O dito guys. Taga-upo, taga-masid sa ginagawa ng aming tatay sa ngayong Father's Day. Ayan. Mamaya kuhanan natin siya ng flower niya guys para ibigay natin sa Father's Day.
Hindi na kakain. Magkakape lang ako sa work na kakain.
Aquatic, saan? Saan ba ang aquatic?
Nice.
Tuhog is
Nice.
daki. Yan na guys, oh. Oh, na-marinate na ng after 3 hours na. Sarap siya. Na guys. Oh, amazing. Oh, ha? Diba? Happy together sa likod ng bahay. Having barbecue na. Oh, ha? Oh, backyard barbecue. Amazing. Sa likod ng bahay. Pwede na. Malapit ng maluto siya guys. Yummy, delicious. Oh. Lakas ng apoy. Kasintindi ng init guys. Oh. Oh. Nagbabagang init dito sa bansang Ireland. Oh, hi. Manak. Oh, ha? Oh, ha? Matakam kayo dyan. Habang nanonood kayo ng barbecue namin. Oh, hindi anak. Nire-record ko para sa YouTube ko. Oh, amazing. Sarap niya guys. Oh. Yan na yung Father of the Day. Happy Father's Day. We're making your day very happy because we're having a barbecue here at the back of the garden.
Pahit ng ano?
Ano dyan, oh, cook?
Parang yung slaves doon sa movies.
Slaves. Bigyan na talaga mag-barbecue yung mga...
Pangpasarap ito guys.
Parang yung sa mga inasal.
Yeah, delicious. Mang inasal.
Okay lang siguro pa kahit wala. Ah, sige.
Ayan, luto na guys. We need to take it out and then you cook another thing guys. Oh, testis. Taste test. Yes. Taste test. Halika na, Axis. Taste test. Tingnan natin kung masarap.
Very nice.
Oh, amazing. Yummy, delicious.
Paano malalaman na luto na?
Kinain mo. Ayan. Ang sunod na inihaw, guys. Ayan. Naamoy niya siguro yung niluluto natin. Luto na guys. Yummy, delicious barbecue. Oh. Yummy, delicious guys. Oh, halina kayo. Kain na tayo. Oh, ha? Enjoy the day with amazing weather. Sarap ng... Guys, enjoying now. The party is over, is on. Dito sa likod ng bahay. Tamang-tama guys, ang ating mesa dito. Oh, ha? I-toast pa natin yung bread dyan sa barbecuehan guys. Para you see. Mas masarap. Oh. Wow.
Toasted na mati.
Toasted na. Amazing. Oh. The color is so beautiful.
Yeah, that's toasted.
Oh. Yummy, yummy. Oh, di ba guys? Toasted bread as well, guys. Oh. Thank you, Lord, for the amazing day today. Thank you for the food. Thank you for the barbecuing, Axis, dear. Oh, thank you. And for the one and only Father. Happy Father's Day. Hope you enjoy your day today because we have something for you very special. Yan na guys. Let's eat na. Food is ready. Pwede na tayong kumain guys. Dito sa likod bahay. Now, the food in the backyard. Happy barbecue. Enjoying now guys. Let's eat. Chura! Chara! Chara! Yan na. Oh, ang sarap-sarap. Oh. Oh. Yummy, delicious. Let's eat na, guys. Yummy na. Ito na ang para sa akin, guys. Ikain ko na lang kayo. Sobrang sarap. The food is so yummy. And the weather is perfect. And the father, happy Father's Day, is so happy. Because we're having a happy Father's Day party at the back garden. So simple yet very yummy and happy. Ito, magkatabi naman kami ni Darling dito na kumakain. Yun namang mga kiddos to doon. Yung mga kiddos naman nandun sa bandaron. Back garden, barbecue, enjoy. Tayo guys, chicken barbecue, so yummy. Enjoy. So much guys for your love and support on this channel. I love you, I love you, I love you.